Namaskar. This video is about nothing. I'm not going to convey any ideas. I just want to share the feelings. 3 days ago, I was doing kirtana, that means singing of the mantra, and the energy was very, very high. We were many people, maybe 100 people together, moving in one flow, concentrating on one idea of the cosmic consciousness. And one meditation teacher, he was singing with so much love and devotion, with so much inspiration. So the energy was so beautiful and wonderful. And in that flow, I suddenly saw in my mind, I saw the face of my guru, and he was he was repeating two things. He was saying, nobody is unimportant. Nobody is insignificant. That came from memory, because I saw before the video, so the very same memory has been going on and going on and going on in my mind. And when I was listening to those words within myself, I felt so much love. And I felt extreme desire that in this world, nobody should suffer. In this world, there should nobody who is unimportant, who is insignificant. Everyone should have importance. Everyone should have their own dignity, their own happiness. And not only human beings, also animals and plants. I was walking the other day, and I was looking at the pine tree, and in the pine tree, there was one squirrel. And that squirrel came to me. I look at that squirrel, and I felt, even the brain is so small there, but it is a living being, exactly like me. I felt, you are me, and I'm you. I'm feeling you. I know you. I know that you also experience the same pain and same pleasure as I do. Your life is not less important than my life. That was an amazing feeling. And on the same day, I was sitting on one bench, and maybe 50 meters further was another person sitting. And there was a dog. And that dog was just looking in the eyes of the person. And with his leg, he was touching the knee of the person, like this, very gently, and looking like this. I felt very touched. I felt, he is me, I am him. He's the same. We are the same. And nobody is bigger. Nobody is smaller. We are the same. We must love each other. We must care for each other. I feel today we have a duty. It is our duty to create a world where nobody is unimportant. Nobody is insignificant. Each creature is the glorified expression of the cosmic consciousness. We should create the world where everyone is protected, nobody is exploited, and everyone is enjoying beautiful happiness. And human beings enjoy spirituality. They enjoy the rhythm of the cosmic flow. If we have not created such society, then what are we living for? What worth the achievements, money, property, social status, if we have not felt the love in our hearts? My personal opinion is that if you don't feel love, then what is this life for? And then another thing. I was thinking, when we were singing the mantra, I was thinking that I'm not doing meditation for a long time actually. I started in 1996. In just 20 years, there was many transformation in me, and I get to feel this universal love. If I can do that, it means everyone can. The meditation, sadhana, spiritual effort, when you are striving to become a better person, transforms and awakens the love within. So, today, our duty is very simple. Our duty is to just do spiritual practice ourselves and inspire everybody to do the spiritual practice. This is the mission of the meditation steps. That's what we try to share. We cannot build harmonious society without a spiritual person. Society is composed of people, and people are made of what they think, of what they aspire for. When we set before ourselves a high aspiration to become ideal human beings, when we move, we constantly strive to that ideal, we become changed. And that with that love that we have in our hearts, we have the power to change ourselves. We have the power to change the world. So, this is what I wanted to share. It's not about something. It is about nothing actually. It is about my feelings. But I felt those feelings very strongly. Thank you very much for watching this. See you again soon. Namaskar.